How to remove background people in Snapseed. So first, just simply tap on Snapseed to open it up. Now once you're here, just simply tap on the plus icon here on the middle if you haven't selected any photos. So if you tap on this, it will bring up your gallery where you will need to select the photo that you want to edit. But for me, I already have selected some photos which can be seen right here. So I'm going to select this photo that I'm going to edit. And once you're here, just simply tap on the healing option or the healing tool right there. But if you can't see it right there, you just simply need to go to the tools section here on the bottom right. And under retouch and transform, you will see the healing option right there. You just simply need to tap on that to use it. And once you have clicked on it, you just simply need to brush off a certain person or a background object that you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove this person, so I'm just going to brush it using my finger, and as you can see, they have been automatically removed from the screen. So let's say I also want to remove this person on the background, so I'm just going to zoom in and just simply brush off using my finger, and as you can see, they have been automatically removed just like that. And to save the changes, just simply need to click on the check icon here on the bottom right. And as you can see, it has been automatically saved. And that is how you basically remove background people in Snapseed.